All right, so what we have here is the natural length of a certain spring is 16 inches, and the force required, or force of 8 inches is required to keep it stretched 8 inches. 8 pounds is required to keep it stretched 8 inches. Find the work done in each case. All right, so with 18 inches, what's going on here is we have so this is 16 inches outright. When we go to 18, it's being stretched 2. So right here. And our force, our K constant, because it's Kx for Hooke's law. So 8 pounds. So if 8 pounds for 8 inches is just 8 pounds divided by 8 inches, or 8. So it's just equal to 1 pound per inch. So our constant is just 1. So that's pretty simple. All right, so actually, even though it's 16 inches long, we're going to set this as our resting point. So it's going to be 2, and we're going from a length, how much? So find the work from 18 inches to 24. So we're going from 2, and then 24 is 8 more, so it's up to 8 here. So from 2 to 8, this is just a relative set point. So it's going to be integrated from 2 to 8, and it's just Kx, and our K is 1, so it's just x dx, and what we end up with is x squared over 2 from 2 to 8. So what we get is, we'll do 8 squared divided by 2 minus 2 squared, if I can write, divided by 2. So we end up with 64 minus 4 over 2, which is just 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30. Maybe I did too much. Maybe I should have skipped some steps there. All right, so it's 30 inches, 30 inch pounds. All right, so instead of foot pounds, like horsepower. Compressing the spring from its natural length of 16 inches to 12 inches. So in this instance, it's still going to be kind of the same thing, but work in this instance is going to be we're starting at the base point. I'm looking back up here, is 0. And, well, the entire length of the spring 16, but we're going to something like 12. So we're going backwards, so it's going to be 0 to negative 4. So what's going to be happening here? So we're going to potentially, well, either way, you're putting potential energy into it. So same thing. So x dx. So it's going to be x squared over 2 from 0 to negative 4. And what we end up with is, so negative 4 squared, 64 over 2 minus 0 over 2. So we end up with just, I made a mistake. Somehow I got trapped. I was doing 8. Sorry about that. So it's negative 4 squared over 2 minus 0 squared over 2. So it ends up being 16 over 2 minus 0, which is just 8 inch pounds. Okay, that's it. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.